Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do part 2 of the What's in My Bag series. If you guys didn't see my everyday carry or my essential go-tos, whatever, please go ahead and check out that video and then come back here so that you can go ahead and pick up where we left off. So we're going to go ahead and do the mommy version. If you guys don't know, really quick, let me go ahead and just inform you. I am a mother of 2 boys and they are special needs. So I do need to carry more things than the average parent. So first off, go ahead and starting, I get a lot of questions of where I got this bag. I got this bag at Ross, but the main reason why I got it was because it was black. It's a wipeable material. It does have different compartments. The zipper is smooth. I would prefer 2 open zippers, but it only came with 1. But it also has 2 side compartments here where I put sippy cups. That's better. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. This video, I do not want it to be long, so if you hear me going by quite fast, that's because ain't nobody got time. So again, the 2 side pockets, I keep them free. Either when I have this bag, we are either going to the doctor's, to the hospital, or on field trips. So I tend to keep the 2 empty because if it's a field trip, my water bottle, my son's water bottle, or if it's to the doctor or hospital, both of my boys' water bottles. So there's that. It has these 2 zippers on each side, and one of the pockets is for snacks and the other one is the mommy pocket. So this one here is the snacks one. I have honey roasted peanuts for myself. And then I have the alphabet cookies from Walmart for my boys. I really like these because they're peanut free. They also don't contain milk, which is good. And they're free of dyes as well. So I really do like these. I recommend them and they taste pretty good. So normally I have gummies and other stuff in there too, but as you can tell, we recently used this bag. On the other side, like I said, it's the mommy pocket. So anything that I would need to reach for quickly, I put in here because I don't feel like fishing around for it in the inside pockets. So I have gum, a sticky note that has the antibiotics that don't work for my sons, which is Cefenir, lip balm, floss, Nivea cream, which honestly I don't recommend. I will be taking this out because my boys don't like it. Super glue, Aquaphor, and this is like if they get a rash or you know they need lip balm too or something. Waters of Paris perfume, Burt's Bees cuticle oil or cream, whatever. My SENTBIRD, and this one here is the Clinique Happy. It's okay, but if you guys do want to try SENTBIRD out, you know I have it in the description box for you guys. I have, oh my god, I tasted it. Clear nail polish. This is my favorite clear nail polish in the world. Highlighters. I think I have another one in here. Or not. These are highlighters and they smell good. And then I also have a pen and a pencil. That is what I have in the mommy pocket. Okay, and for the main pocket, like look how smooth this bag is. I like it. And I also like how like this part is pretty big because I can just do this if I ever kind of feel a little bougie. So opening this, oh my god, you guys, this is stuff. Now I do need to clean this out, but I already know myself. I'm just gonna end up throwing all this crap back in here, but whatever. You guys requested this, so I got you. I have a straw. This is one of those silicone straws, and I know it looks funny, but it is a straw. And I have this because sometimes I'm drinking my water bottle and my boys want some, and I do not want their nasty ass mouth on the rim of my bottle, so I have this. I have 2 of these plain journals. They're plain so my boys can create masterpieces. And then I also have this one here. This is from Chick-fil-A. It's just like a little activity book, but it's also like a book. My boys just like to look at it. They're only 3 and 4, but you know, they're kind of picking up. They're pretty smart, but you know, they're kind of picking up on them. But I do have this. One of my boys is allergic to peanuts, so that's why I only have 1 because I took thing 2 with me. So thing 1 unfortunately didn't have 1, but there's only 1. So yeah, I have to have Play-Doh. Like, girl, get you some Play-Doh. Tissues. My glasses, because I am blind. I don't have my contacts on right now, but normally I do have my contacts. These are dirty as fuck. Normally I do wear contacts, and they kind of bother me a lot because I do have severe dry eye. I have a lot of eye problems, unfortunately, so yeah. As I said, my boys are special needs, okay? I do still have to carry diapers, but these are the prescription diapers because, yeah. So I have this. I do have baby powder, but I know that there's a lot of bad things going on with baby powder, which is why I have the Aquaphor in the front pocket. And I know I have baby wipes in here. Maybe I ran out, but I have one diaper in here. Normally I have two. So tissues. This is a little like first aid kit. Oh, there's my Vicks. There's my medicine. I have medicine, a panty liner, band-aids, gauze, and my Vicks. I have anxiety, but I also have allergies. So when I can't breathe, it really boosts my anxiety. So, and then I'm like, oh my god, I feel so much better. I really hope that some of you guys can relate. So that's what that is. More snacks, which should actually go in the snack pocket. So put that over there real quick. I have an external battery because, yeah, sometimes my boys are playing with my phone and they kill the battery. 2 little books, because again, with one has, the other one needs to have. Lotion and perfume. I really like this one. This is one of the most popular scents, is other than Pure Seduction. They're Victoria's Secret, but I do like that one. A Mexican deodorant, because they work really well. Extra phone charger, which should actually be in the pockets. And then in here I have crayons. These are from the Target Dollar Spot, and I recommend these if you can find them. I believe they come in 10, but they look like this. And my boys like putting them on their fingers. Oops. Like that song, Mommy Finger, Where Are You? You know what I'm talking about? I really hope you do. But they like putting it on their fingers, and they can also stack them. So it definitely keeps them busy for a while until they start fighting for them. 2 cars. Oh no. 2 little animals, because again, I have 2 boys. A moist towelette, which should be in the pocket. A Coach perfume sample, which doesn't smell good anymore. And that's what I have in the main pocket. Now, as you can see, I have 2 little side pockets here, which is where normally the charger is. But I have a pick or a comb, a white tooth comb, whatever you want. And I have this because I like to give myself volume, honestly. Like, yeah. So there's that. I have some wet ones because, girl, sticky and nasty situations. Another moist towelette, and then the other pocket is normally where I have my charger, and then I have napkins, just in case. There's also a back zipper pocket, which most bags have. Not a lot of them have them anymore, but this one does. And I have a pad. Oh, I have another little emergency kit in here. This has Q-tips, Band-Aids, and I think that's an alcohol pad. I have these artificial tears because I need them. I have more medicine. Oh my god. It's kind of excessive. My backup car keys, just in case I lock myself out of my car and leave my actual keys inside. That has happened before. And then I have a random like little hair clip thing. This is like one of the ones that I usually use on clients. I don't know why this one's in there, but it is. And then I have backup hoops because your girl always needs to have her hoops. Another thing that I need to carry in my bag is my son's EpiPen. Oh my god, it's not in there right now because we recently just went to the store on Saturday. Today is Monday, and I did have to take the EpiPen with me, so it's in my smaller personal bag. So that's in the part 3 if you guys want to stick tuned, subscribe so that you can go ahead and see that. Another thing I do want to mention really quick is that if we are going to the hospital, because there are, believe it or not, unfortunately, there's a lot of times that we are actually having to go to the hospital, I always bring my tablet. My boys do have their own separate tablets, but honestly, I'm not going to carry all those tablets in my backpack, and they only get theirs every now and then. It's kind of like a treat. I don't like to have tablets constantly. I don't know, it's just like my parenting, everybody's parenting is different. But I do have mine, and I either put it on YouTube because, again, it's the hospital, it's a scary place, and especially for recently it's been thing too that's been in and out of the hospital because malfunctions with surgery and stuff like that. So the hospital's a little scary for him. So I do have his YouTube account on here, so I can just switch accounts and put it on here. Or if he'd rather play a game, I have games on my phone. So yeah, that goes in there if we go to the hospital only. But on field trips and doctor's appointments, it's not needed. And I know you guys are probably wondering, where's your wallet, where are your keys and stuff like that. Go check out my everyday carry essentials and you'll see that I keep everything on a keychain. It's on a hook and I hook it onto my jeans, and my wallet's usually in my back pocket. Just in case I gotta ditch my bag and run, I still got everything that I need on me. I think I'm a survivalist. But yes, that's all that I do carry in my mommy bag. Thank you guys for watching this part 2 of the 3-part series. Please, again, make sure to subscribe if you're not already so that you can see the 3rd version. Also, guys, like and subscribe and click the little bell button so that you can get notified of all of my videos when I do post. Leave any questions or comments, even recommendations down in the comments below, because you guys know I get back to you guys as fast as I possibly can. Now, I do want to mention really quick, I am, I believe, about 30 to 25 subscribers away from 2,000, and once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway here on YouTube. I will also be doing a giveaway on Instagram once I hit my next milestone, so if you want to follow me there as well, everything is Krystalscouture, Snapchat, Instagram, and then again, I always have everything listed in the description box for you guys as well. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, you do just need to be subscribed and comment down below on all of my videos. So thank you guys again so much for your support, and this giveaway is for you guys for showing me support. So I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.